Hello everyone, my name is Stefan Schneider, Product Manager for Force and Strain Sensors and Amplifiers at Baumer Electric. In the following tutorial series, I would like to show you how to parametrize and use our measuring amplifier DAB10 and the new strain sensors DST with the Baumer software suite optimally for your application. In the individual short videos, you will learn more about the commissioning of our sensors and which hardware and software you need for this. You will learn about the signal path of the measuring amplifier from millivolt per volt on the input to Newton on the output and many other additional functions. I will also show you how you can easily parametrize the amplifier using IO-Link, how to set the measuring range or the analog output, as well as more about remote operation and diagnostic data. Watch all videos at once or just click on your relevant video.